father has passed away. Belly, he left you something. A boat.
Just came into a whole lot of money. Someone down there, too.
Hey, no one's supposed to be out here.
Oh my God, the birds we got. No, it's really good.
We gotta get off this. Someone was on the boat. Take the shot.
You really think it's in there?
The number's only one part.
Hello, is anyone there?
That's not the Coast Guard.
There's someone on the boat.
We have a Coast Guard problem. We'll kill everyone.
Wish this would end it differently.
You stole my fucking boat. You're a fucking monster.
Land is fucking ruined. We were gonna blow the boat up, get rid of the evidence. Can't do that now.
Fucking nothing!